Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be preparing and packing for my trip to Seattle and Vancouver, and I have a lot of stuff to do, so I thought I'd bring you guys along with me, so stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back. Now I'm actually starting this video on a Wednesday and we're leaving on Monday to go to Seattle and Vancouver. As you can tell, I'm very excited, but I have a lot of stuff to do before the fun can begin. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me. And the first step is to get these bad boys done. I literally have not gotten my nails done since the summer. Also, I'm going on the trip with Olivia and I'm actually getting my nails done today with Olivia. She's on her way right now to pick me up. So let's go. Okay guys, now the next step is to do my laundry because before I start packing or anything, I need to have fresh clothes, and I also need to figure out what I want to wear for the rest of the week because I'm quite literally working up until the day I leave. So let's get right into it. Laundry check! Okay guys, it is officially the next day and all of my laundry is done, and so it's time to fold it. And then we can finally start packing. Yay! Okay squad, I just finished folding all my laundry and now it is time to pick out and plan the outfits of the trip. So we're going to Seattle and Vancouver. We're going for only 4 days. So it's 2 days in Seattle and then 2 days in Vancouver, and then we come back Friday. Very short, very quick trip. I have some outfits already like in mind, and I did buy some things which help. I'm just gonna pick those out now and then I will show you guys what I come up with. And I already kind of have a pile going right here as I was folding my laundry. Basically picked out all my sweats and pajamas. Now I just need to pick out outfits. Yay! Okay, I have all the outfits. This is kind of like a work in progress, but we'll go with it. So I'm gonna be wearing this outfit. These are my garage jeans. This is my garage sweatshirt. It's the brown one with also this hat because hello, brown matches. Big slay. Gold jewelry. I'm gonna be bringing my sambas as well, so I'll probably wear those on my feet. Day 2 Seattle. Obviously wearing leather jacket because it's like spring weather, but it's not necessarily warm there. So the top is brand new, and then my jeans from Garage. These are like the baggy ones. I'm gonna be wearing my Docs as well, and then probably also gold jewelry, and then I'll show you guys my night outfit for this day. Okay, and then I think this is gonna be my Seattle night outfit. So I'd probably wear my Docs and then also my leather jacket too. But this is the full fit. The skirt has like a little bit of a slit in it. The top I got from Urban, and then the skirt is actually from H&M. I like it because it's like midi length. We'll move on to day 3, which is our first day in Vancouver. This is like the full outfit. So the cardigan is Garage, and then the jeans are also Garage, or like my dark wash baggy jeans. And then I'd probably either wear my Uggs or my Sambas depending on the vibes. And then obviously slick back and then gold jewelry. So far all we're wearing is gold jewelry, and then I'll show you guys my night outfit. But here is the full outfit. So of course I had to bring my leopard print jeans. Who would I be without them? These are from Garage. I love these. The top is Amazon. It's like the off the shoulder sweater. Super cute for a night out. Again, I'd probably wear my Docs and then my leather jacket. I'm also going to be bringing my super puff and again gold jewelry for this outfit. So this is kind of the vibe of the last day outfit that I picked out. I love how flowy this cardigan is too. So, but this is the full outfit. So the top is Brandy and then this cardigan is actually my mom's. It's from Old Navy. And then these jeans are the same ones I wore in the last one. So these are like my Garage ones. And then I would probably wear my Sambas with this outfit. Actually, maybe my Uggs. I think my Uggs instead. And then probably gold jewelry as well. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna be packing gold jewelry because that seems to be the theme of the trip. Okay, and then this is like the last night outfit I came up with. So the top is actually from Cider. I got it when I went to Montreal last year. And then these jeans are just like my light wash Garage jeans. Not really sure how I feel about it, but it's there as an option. But I'd probably wear my Docs with it and then again gold jewelry. Suitcase unlocked. Oh my god. I'm just gonna put my toiletries here and then my clothes here. Toiletries I'm doing a different day. We're only doing clothes today. Okay guys, this is what I have so far. This is all of my packed clothes. And then this is what I'm gonna wear on the plane, like to go there. So I'm gonna wear my brown sweater with my cargo sweatpants because I'm also bringing those too just for like an extra pair. And then leather jacket I'll just pack later when my toiletries are done. I'll probably just like lay it on top. Okay guys, I have done all that I can for today. My suitcase is packed with my clothes. But yeah, I'm really excited about this trip and I can't wait. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow night. Okay guys, I just finished running all my errands. I literally like ran out of like everything that I need to pack, so that's why I had to go. But I'm gonna give you guys a little haul and then I'm gonna pack my toiletries and my carry-on, or at least as much as I can. So first I have my little Cotton Rounds makeup remover. They had this like really big version of it, so of course I had to get it because the small one just ain't cutting it. So, and then also my toothpaste as well. This is the one I use, like the Optic White Advanced one. And then also just my floss as well. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and pack as much as I can right now. So let's just get right into it. Also, this is the bag I'm bringing. It is quite literally my work bag, but this is like the best carry-on bag that I could possibly bring. So this is what I have so far. Not really much going on. I have my laptop, my headphones, a book, possibly my purse that has like my ID and my passport and everything, blue light glasses, iPad, and then some chargers. I can't bring my phone charger right now because I need to charge it, but this is what we have so far. But this is also my toiletry bag that I'm packing. That's my little toothbrush holder. I also use this bag right now for markers, but I think I might empty it out and use it for more toiletries just because I'm gonna need like a makeup bag and a toiletry bag. Okay, I just packed my little jewelry box. I'm bringing all gold jewelry, so these are all my rings, my earrings, necklaces, earrings. It's kind of random, but it works. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do in this bag for makeup, and then I'm gonna start packing my carry-on. Now I'm gonna just pack as much as I can for my toiletries, and then I think I'll be done for tonight. Okay, this is it so far. It's kind of really funny to look at compared. The main priority was just to like fill these up for everything, and then this has like my jewelry and then some other stuff, and then this is just like face towel, hair towel, like headband, and then also like to wash my face, some extra makeup remover, and then like an extra like wet brush for like when I get out of the shower, and this is also just like my conditioner after the shower as well. I'm just gonna leave that there there. I have some floss and Q-tips packed. I don't have my toothbrush yet, but this is the holder. And then I have like my ear care solution and then just like a random perfume. Can't pack much, but so far so good. Okay guys, so I think that is gonna be everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am so excited to go to Seattle and Vancouver. I've never been to Seattle, so this will be a new experience for me and it'll just be so nice to go on a vacation. Definitely stay tuned for the vlog because I will be posting a vlog next Sunday. Also, thanks for coming along with me to prepare and to pack. I'm pretty excited with the outfits I came up with as well, so definitely look out on my Instagram for some pictures, my TikTok for some videos and some vlogs. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye.